It's really not that bad. It just needs a little shaping. To the salon!
I love it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you're tuning for the first time, you are so welcome. It is few weeks or few days to Christmas, and I really want to drop this video for you guys in case you're still looking for something you can use in this weather. I really like the hairstyle I did in my last video, and I wanted to throw this one in quickly before we get to Christmas, because I know that the girlies are looking forward to use for Christmas. You know, if you're watching this video, I don't know which country you live, but I currently live in Nigeria, and I will tell you guys, the weather is dry. The weather is dry, and this is the best time to tuck your natural hair away, especially if you have high porosity hair like mine. If your care is not taken, your hair is going to dry and break. As a girlie that love to rock her natural hair, I still want something that looks very close. In fact, something that looks exactly like my own hair. So I quickly got the HerGivenHair 18 inches Sweetheart Shake and Go wig. I wanted something I can easily just put on and go. See, this Christmas hair, I have lineup for function, event I want to attend, and I wanted a very easy peasy kind of wig that I can just put on and go about my day. And also, most importantly, I wanted something that looks like my own hair. For my girlies that are new to kinky curly hair, you have enough information in this manual to put you through. There's also an extra strap in case you want to make sure it tight to your head. You don't want to be dancing and your wig will fly off. So the first thing I did was put my hair in cornrow. Remember what I said earlier? The weather is dry. I don't know if the weather is dry in all countries. Let me know if the weather is dry in your country, but here in Nigeria, the weather is so dry. I have a porosity hair, and if I moisturize my hair before I finish moisturizing the last session, my hair is already dry. So the only thing that is saving me in this period is putting my hair in a protective style and tucking my hair away. If you follow me for a long time, you will notice that I am a kinky curly girly. I love me a good kinky curly hair, especially the ones that look like my own hair, like this particular one I have on. I love the fact that this hair came with a drawstring, and all you have to do is pull it to fit into your hair. I prefer drawstring over the, that strap. I feel like sometimes that strap just inch the neck of my head the way I don't like, but with this drawstring, it just does the job for me. So I really appreciate that this week came with that two option. So to just define my curls, all I have to do is get a leave-in conditioner, water, and detangling brush. You can use a leave-in conditioner or hair mousse depending on the one that works better for you, but for the particular hair I'm going to be using leave-in conditioner. A little leave-in conditioner, spray some water on it, and let your brush do the rest. It is so surprising to me that in 2025 people still think that natural hair is difficult. I saw one video one time on TikTok. Somebody was like, oh, natural hair is difficult. Anytime I'm going to work in the morning, I have to put my hair in style. And I just get confused sometimes, because there are a lot of ways you can explore your natural hair. You can wear wigs that look like your own hair, like this one. I have one right now. By the time I'm done with this wig, you guys are going to almost not tell that this hair it's not growing out of my scalp. Yes, I understand that some days you don't want to deal with your natural hair. Yes, I feel that also someday. But as a girl that genuinely love a natural hair and love the natural hair, kinky curly look, hair like this just save the day for me. Hair like this just give me that vibe of still wearing my natural hair while my actual hair is actually tucked away. And the good part about wigs like this, you only have to define your curls once, and every other time you're going to wear it, just spray some water on it, fluff it out, and you're good to go. And the good part about this wig is that you don't need any form of glue. In fact, all you need to do is just wear and go. You know how we used to say wash and go back in the days, like just wash your hair and go. This one, just wear, shake, off you go. Also, wigs like this are also very perfect for natural hair girly that just new to the journey. You're still trying to explore natural hair. You can get one or two of this type of wigs. And the reason why I recommend this is because some days you might be a bit confused about your hair, your texture. Just put on something like this and you are good to go. Because even me myself, I did not know everything I know about natural hair in one day. It's called a natural hair journey because you don't know everything in one day. So if you're new to the game, get your hair like this. In fact, from learning how to detangle the fine curls of hair like this, you'll be able to also learn to define your own hair, because this hair actually feels exactly like your own natural hair. It is 100% human hair. So learning to manage hair like this is just like you're learning your own hair. So after defining the curves, this is what it looks like, guys. I love it. It came out so pretty. But y'all know I want something big, something that says I'm here, something very fluffy, yummy, and all of that. So I got my diffuser and tried to dry it out a little bit. Just give it that puffy coily, fluffy look. That is exactly the kind of look I am going for, and I got that with this hair. When I tell you guys, this hair feels so good. It is so soft, it is so fluffy, and I love how it taking the leave-in conditioner so well. It did not weigh down in any way. It took it in so well. This feels like my own actual hair. You guys see the way I'm fluffing it out. If this wig did not move on my head, I will almost forget that it is not my hair. It feels so good. The coils came out so well, exactly how I love it. So imagine you're going to work in the morning. All you have to do is just bring out this wig, put it on, and you're good to go. When I tell you guys this wig is shake and go, it is legit shake and go. I had to do all this work to define it, to do all that, just because I got it newly. Every other day I'm going to wear it. All I have to do is put it on, shake, and girl, there is no how you will see me and you will not think that this is my real hair. I'm already imagining a couple of styles I am going to do with this hair, with scarf, a lot of things. The way I'm going to be rocking this hair, there's no how you will see this wig and you will think it's not my hair. It looks like just my real hair. All the information about this wig is going to be in my description box. My girlies that want to get this, I will leave everything and the direct link of this hair. Look at that! I will leave everything in the description box for you guys to check out. Also, the direct link will be there. This hair feels so good. I love it. I love it. I can't wait to rock this hair the entire Christmas. This hair is giving low effort, maximum result. Now, let me show you how easy it is to put off and put on. Off, put it on. Very easy. You don't need glue. You don't need nothing. Put it on, shake it, fit into your hair. You're good to go. Just like that. That's all. Yes, that's all. Just adjust it to fit your face and you're good to go. So guys, that's all about this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.